Today I'm going to share with you how to make the most amazing street food at home. Potato. Stick. Insert the stick in the potato and keep twisting it. Take a knife, cutting angled, and turn the potato in the opposite direction. Gently separate the spiral slices. Keep aside. All-purpose flour 1 cup. Salt 1/4 teaspoon. Red chili powder 1 teaspoon. Mix well. Coat evenly with the flour mix. Hot oil. Fry until golden brown. Mayonnaise. Tomato sauce. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share.